It's human nature to be curious about the extreme and the dangerous, and nothing satisfies that curiosity more than watching insane car crashes caught on camera. The ultimate idiots in cars are a spectacle to behold, and this car crash compilation is a heart-pumping, adrenaline-fueled journey into the world of high-speed collisions and near misses. Buckle up and hold on tight, because you're about to witness some of the craziest moments on the road. As you can see from the car's dashboard cam, the blue car was going normally on the road, but suddenly a tire came in contact with the car, and they can be seen flying into the air and rolling twice. As you can see, the black car was trying to take a reverse when it bumped into the oncoming SUV, which lost its balance and it first crashed into the red car, and then it came for the car whose the driver was recording. As you can see, the car's driver had one leg out of the car and his other leg was on the accelerator pedal of the car. As the driver can be seen trying to get control of his car, but he couldn't. First, he bumped into the toll barrier, then his car gradually sped up and crashed into the tree, throwing the driver out. As you can see, the black car was driving on the side of the snow and it suddenly fell because the driver couldn't see the large empty area. You can see here that the trailer was going peacefully, and then the white car tried to overtake it, and as it tried to do so, the trailer slammed into it, and the car could be seen driving with the trailer. After it was released from there, it could be seen slamming through the black car, and the accident was so bad its tire came out. As you can see, everything was going fine until a taxi came in from the right and slammed into the white car, which then also pushed the light gold car. As it could be seen that the white car driver was in a hurry, and it slammed into the trailer's rear end, causing it to lose its balance and slam into the black car. Then it rotated for a few seconds, and then it came to a stop. The black SUV could be seen coming from the wrong way and slamming itself into the car whose driver was recording. As everything was quiet for a few seconds, and after that it could be seen that the white van's driver was in such a hurry that it slammed into the red emergency car, destroying its rear end. It could be seen that the car was going on in the wrong way as it hit the trailer that was coming from in front, and the car went sideways, and the trailer could be seen driving into the snowy path. It could be seen that the black car was going from the wrong line, and as a bus was coming from the front, they stopped. Just then, the trailer that was there tried to give the bus a spot by reversing it, could be seen losing its balance because the road was wet, and its front part could be seen slamming into the side barriers. As there was snow on the road, the driver was seen losing their balance and driving into the snowy path. As it could be seen that the black vehicle's driver suddenly thought he had to go right, and he made a right turn. Another car was coming from the side, and luckily both of them pressed the brake at the correct time, and none of them had to go through any serious accident. As it could be seen that a van was coming from one side and the trailer was coming from another side, and they lost their balance and slammed into each other. The slam was so powerful that the trailer could be seen driving a few meters to the side. As the black car was trying to do a 360, another car was trying to drive by, but just as the car made a drift, both of the cars slammed into each other and the white car was seen flipping over. as it could be seen that the car that was coming from the right was coming at a slow speed, and the driver who was recording was going a bit fast. Just as he saw that he was about to ram into the oncoming vehicle, it tried to press its brakes, but it slammed the white car. As it could be seen that all the cars were coming very fast, hence the driver tried to slow down and take a side so it wouldn't ram into the oncoming cars. The white car could be seen coming from the side, and the car whose driver was making the video had to suddenly press the brakes so they wouldn't ram into each other. The black car could be seen trying to go to the right, and the driver who was recording suddenly had to hit the brakes so it wouldn't ram into the vehicle. The red car coming from the side could be seen ramming into the vehicle that was coming from the opposite side, and its side bumper fell off. A lorry could be seen ramming through every car it sees. It rammed into the parking car, and then hit another car that was in front of it, and then the lorry just drove away. And few parts could be seen on the road. The white car could be seen driving a bit to the right, hence the driver that was recording had to make a hard right to save himself from an accident. As it can be seen that the car behind was trying to overtake the car in front, and as it was just about to, it slammed into the roadside railing, pushing the second car to another side. And the second car did several front flips. As it could be seen that it was nighttime and the driver could barely see anything, and suddenly he saw a man walking at the side, so he had to quickly make a right turn. As it could be seen that the black semi-van was going fast, and it suddenly hit the car that was going in front of it, breaking several parts of its bumper, and the semi-van's driver just took off. The trailer was trying to make a left turn just when one of the two cars tried to overtake it, making the trailer crash into the white car, and the second black car could be seen bumping into the trailer too. While the video on Insane Car Crash compilation may be shocking and even terrifying at times, it serves as an important reminder of the dangers of reckless driving and the importance of staying alert on the road. These ultimate idiots in cars caught on camera may have made some terrible decisions, but we can all learn from their mistakes and strive to be better drivers ourselves. Let's make the roads safer for everyone by always driving responsibly and respecting the rules of the road. Remember, one wrong move behind the wheel can have devastating consequences. Stay safe out there. Also, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.